Cross, Robbie! Oh, he met it so well. And Whitmore! Theodore Whitmore. Gone absent without leave. This is Whitmore. Hall and Gale both available. It's still Whitmore. And it's now 2-0.
Welcome, Football from Yard viewers. Today we discuss Jamaica's all-time leading scorer, Luton Shelton. On January 22nd, 2021, Shelton lost his battle with ALS. Shelton gradually experienced a decline in muscle mass, his ability to move, speak and breathe, which ultimately led to his passing at Andrews Memorial Hospital in Jamaica. Shelton left Jamaican football fans with a legacy of excellence at every level. Whether as a young boy at Southermere Prep, a high school student at Woolmers, simultaneously the youth competitions for Harbourview, and then bursting onto the Jamaican Premier League scene with Harbourview as a 17-year-old. Shelton's impressive form for Harbourview, the youth national teams, and the senior men's national team led to a lot of interest from overseas clubs. In 2006, a transfer was agreed to Burnley in the English Championship. However, a work permit fell through. He subsequently went to Helsingborg in Sweden as his first international stop, and from there the goals flowed.
I love it like that, you know, because they're dead hearted, you know, and we're in a final, we expect fans, you know, but it's good we're coming from so far and we get so much fans, and I appreciate it for them, and thank you for all of them. Come here. Well, it's good. First season and I win the final, so it's important for me and it's important for the supporters and everyone, and I'm glad that we win because it means a lot to me.
Ultimately, he was signed by Sheffield United of the English Premier League in early 2007. Shelton, who continuously battled thigh injuries throughout his career, didn't make his full debut with Sheffield United until April of 2007 in a game against Manchester United. Apart from being remembered as one of, if not the fastest man in world football at Sheffield, Shelton is remembered for Balloon Gate, an incident where Manchester City fans had thrown a bunch of balloons on the field, and these same balloons came back to haunt them. Early in the game, a cross came to Shelton, and the balloons put off the goalkeeper in defence, and Shelton was able to capitalise and score a goal. In the search for more playing time, Shelton left Sheffield United and signed with Vålerenga in the Norwegian League. Shelton's return to Scandinavia led to him regaining his form. Once again the goals began to flow. Shelton then moved on to the Turkish league with Karabukspor, also had a stop in Russia with Volga. Throughout this time, Shelton had a very impressive career for the Jamaican national team, making 75 appearances for the Reggae Boys, scoring 35 goals, including 4 on debut and his magical free kick against the USA in the National Stadium. While one can debate who the best striker was for Jamaica in its history, what is not up for debate is that Shelton left the game as Jamaica's leading scorer, and he has certainly been as productive as any other forward in Jamaican national team history. Thank you, Luton Shelton, for the legacy that you left Jamaican football fans with, and condolences to his friends, family and loved ones. What good, Luton Shelton.